Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are back at it once again. We're going to go ahead and start today's day off with something I haven't shown before, but something I use quite often. Typically in the mornings or whenever you wash your face. After, something that I love using a lot is this right here. And it is the e.l.f. Super Tone, a toner with brightening fruit acids. In my bathroom, this is definitely something I have just sitting on my counter. And then I have these, they're called premium ovals. They're just like little cotton swabs. So I take one of these and obviously you're gonna open up your bottle. I just pour some in there. And then I just most importantly, why I picked this one is because it doesn't have alcohol, and that's something I wanted to avoid when picking a toner, because alcohol dries out your skin. It's not good for you, and I've been very happy with it. I'm using the Raydiate serum, which has vitamin C in it. This one is definitely a lot more liquidy than the Remedy and Reveal. So for my face stuff, you guys already know my favorite. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna like get tired of me doing this. And this is definitely a preference thing. I just want to like make it all even, so I correct it with Peach Corrector. And we're going with this color right here. It is 518. We're gonna put it in our crease. So next we're gonna take this color called Rusted, which is this one right here. So we're gonna take this color, and we're taking another blending brush, but this one is tapered and it's a little bit smaller than the other one, and plus I just needed to switch my brush. So we're going to focus this color in our outer corner of our eye, and then as you start losing most of that pigment in your brush, you're going to want to bring it in. So after you have the two colors on your eyes, what I typically do, which you guys saw in my last video as well, is I love this brush here. It's not a specific brush, it's from BH Cosmetics, but it's a more fluffier blending brush. And I like to take it without any makeup on and blend the two. We're gonna go ahead and take this color called Haloween here. It's this really pretty glittery orange, so it's like Halloween on glitter. And we're gonna put it in the center, inner corner of our eye, basically where you have skin left over. So if you just apply your glitter shadow with just the brush by itself and you don't like the intensity of the color, go ahead and take the Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray. And typically this is the one that I use to like spray my brushes. So you just like spray your brush away, and then you go ahead and take that color once again. So you go ahead and take that color. I'm taking this Nudie Patootie from Los Angeles. There's this color in here called All Natural, and it is a more intensified gold. So I'm gonna pop that in the middle on top of the color Halloween, just so that I can give it some more intensity. So after adding All Natural on top of Halloween, I don't know why I keep wanting to say Halo, but Halloween, you can go ahead and take that darker rusted colored brush that you were originally using, and you can blend a little bit into the color just so that it's not such a harsh line. Okay, so before we get into our lower lash line and into our wing effect that I want to create, we're going to go ahead and conceal underneath our eyes just so that is nice and ready. And today we're going to go ahead and take Shape Tape in Light Neutral 22N. Just make 2 giant triangles on your face because it's going to get better. And then you're going to, I have my Real Technique sponge, and just gonna get all of our under eye. See, it does get better. It blends out so nicely. My face looks a little crazy, but the reason why I'm concealing first is because I want to definitely get underneath my eyes. And if I put the shadow first and then I put on my concealer, it's just kind of hard to conceal perfectly and trying to avoid the color. So we're taking a smaller brush like this. We're taking a smaller brush like this, and we're going with the color Rusted underneath our eyes. We're going to take this color called Boutique here, and that's what we're going to use to darken up and give some more depth in the lower lash line. We're going to take that same color and we're going to create a winged shadow. All you have to do is just take a brush. It could be a liner brush like this. I have this curved one. My favorite of all time for liners is this Morphe X Jeffree Star JS14. What you're going to do is just create a wing, but you're going to create it with shadow. It's not going to be a super intense wing. It's just going to be something more on the subtle side. Okay, so I finished my eyeshadow liner and it definitely looks nice. I could have done better, but hey, it's not my favorite. Eyeliner is still a skill I have to put some more practice to. And we're going to go ahead and do our inner corner and our underneath our eyebrows. Take a flat brush and I'm going to go ahead and take the color Ringlight, which is this color here. For foundation, I am trying out a new foundation. It's called Covergirl Clean Fresh Silk Milk Nourishing Foundation with coconut milk and aloe extract. So this is the color Light Medium 550 Dewy Finish, and it is vegan. We're going to go ahead, and take some powder and powder off my face. I don't know if I just want to just do my under eyes and like my forehead, because of the fact that it's a dewy look for the finish. Definitely gonna keep trying it out, and you'll see more videos with me trying it. And as I build more and more foundation little collection, I will be letting you guys know what I like the most and what I like the least. So far, I have certain opinions about some of them. This is my first time trying this one. It doesn't look cakey, which that's like A1 for me. I don't like foundations that look cakey. I like when they mesh very well with the powder. So let me know if you want me to do a video about that, about different foundations, I do and don't like some, and the reason why behind it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the NYX matte bronzer in the color medium. Alright, so bronzer is set. Now onto highlighter and lips. Oh, and blush, because why not? I decided I'll do some blush today. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Milani blush. It's called Rose de Oro. It's this really pretty, like, shimmery pinkish with a little bit of gold in it. Oh my god. I just realized if you pop this open, it has a little brush inside. And a mirror! What? Okay, let's put that back in there. But yeah, so if you get your Milani blush, don't worry about it. You got a brush in there and a little mirror if you forget your mirror. So, who would have known? So I'm just gonna pop that in here. And the apples of my cheeks. I got really fat cheeks. Now onto a highlighter, which is my favorite. So we're gonna go ahead and take this Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder in the color Illuminati. Okay, so last but not least, we just have to do our lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the Tarteist lip paint in color Grunge. And don't worry, I know it's a bit dark, so we're gonna lighten it up a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and take this color called Wanted. It's a velvet matte lipstick too, from Victoria's Secret. And then I'm gonna take the Laura Leak lipstick called Nakey as well, and we're just gonna concentrate it a little bit more. So notice how I'm just focusing it on the center of the lip for the majority. Oh wait, I forgot mascara. I always forget mascara. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this Butter London mascara before I go ahead and mist away my face. Alright, sorry about that. I was about to just forget. Mascara, the most important part. I knew my eyes looked a little weird. Let's go ahead and take that setting spray and let's finish us off. just ate it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Officially done. It took a while. Now my husband can get to playing PUBG and screaming at the TV.
Finally!
But anyways guys, thank you for watching today's video. Go ahead and give it a subscribe, hit that button, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you feel, and I truly appreciate the fans that I have now. I do this for fun, honestly. Like, it is my escape. I know it's been a little bit hard right now with everything going on, but I finally sat down and played with makeup for you guys and for myself, obviously, because it's like some sort of art therapy.